Want to know how to pull your door key code for your new Lincoln Aviator? I made a quick tutorial video. I'm Jason Gillette. I do tutorials, walkarounds, vehicle reviews, and all kinds of helpful content. And today we're going to show you how to pull your door key code. So what you do need is two keys. You need both of your keys. If you don't have those, that is not going to work. But if you do have both your keys, this is how we do it. So first of all, we're going to open up the center console. And actually right here where my thumb is a spot you can put your key fob. Now, the reason that spot is there is because if your key fob was ever to lose battery, or the battery like died, or maybe there's a signal interruption, you can actually put this in that slot and it's like sticking a physical key in the ignition. Then you can press the push button start and that's going to start for you. So yeah, now you know why they have that. For today's purposes, we are actually going to use it to pull your door key code. So we're going to take one of the keys, we're going to put it in there. So I've got it resting in there right now. And we're going to press the start button. Then we're going to wait till about 5. So I usually go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's long enough. We're going to turn that off. We're going to pull that key out. And then we're going to switch it out with the other key. Got that in there. We're going to hit this button again, just in accessory mode. And we're just going to wait. And we wait and wait and wait. And there you go. Factory keypad code. All right, everyone, now you know what I know. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Do me a huge favor and click subscribe to this channel. If you want to see more content like this, hit that bell icon. You'll be notified every time I make a video. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. If you have any questions or anything about this content or want to see any other content made, throw that in the comments section and I'll be happy to get to that. Have a great day.